Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing all right in isolation. We just want to say that although we're not able to talk with you guys face to face, we still want to be able to reach out. We still want to connect with you guys. So if you're wanting to have a conversation, want to have a chat, whether you're struggling, whether you want some prayer, then please just connect with us through our social medias. Whether that's Twitter, whether that's Instagram, or whether that's Facebook. We're happy to talk and we're happy to listen. So we look forward to hearing from you guys.
So it's time again, Saffron, for another Wind Up Wednesday. So I think you find at the moment, I'm obviously winning. I'm winning.
Genuinely, I went and threw up in the toilet. It was so gross.
That lemon one, it was a hard one. Well, this one's just as hard because it involves Maltesers. Now, for those that don't know,
I forgot about this.
I've only recently, for many years I've not liked chocolate, and my son challenged me if I had to make him try foods that he'd already tried that he didn't like, then I had to do it myself. So if he ate to eat Brussels sprouts at Christmas, I have to try chocolate again. So
I don't know how you can compare Brussels sprouts to chocolate.
Yeah.
Like.
So I've only recently just started this. So we'll see how it goes. What we got to do?
What we have to do is we have to sit with our head back, put the Malteser on our mouth, and we have to try and blow it up as high as we can and try and catch it once it comes down in our mouths.
Okay, right.
Okay, we're going to try. We're going to see who can do.
So what's the scoring system? Like, the highest, the most that you catch, most skillful?
We'll do catching.
Catching.
And then when we'll look back, we'll see who did the highest one.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
You go first.
No, we both do it at the same time.
All right, okay.
Okay. I need to sit forward because my head doesn't go all the way back. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was harder than I thought it was going to be.
It was so much harder. Okay. Oh, nearly. You got that up so much.
I got it high, just to catch it. Right.
Ready? Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to try and lay that.
I'm finding Maltesers everywhere. 3, 2, 1. It's just getting my nose right here. Tilt
Is
my
it
head
my hair? Oh, genuinely. Oh.
Okay, I'm going to try.
I've got it.
You got it. Right,
Okay.
I'm going to tilt my head forward. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ah! So close to catching that one! Right, go.
Okay, ready? 1.
3, 2, 1.
Catch it.
I'm eating it.
Okay, I'm
Mm, well.
really want.
That's another one. Another win for Team Chrissy B.
No! Give me another one.
That's not been in my mouth.
Okay. Right.
3, 2, 1.
Ow!
That was pretty high as well. That was
So
pretty high.
annoyed.
And just call me the winner again.
No, I'm going to do it one more time.
It's 2-1 though, so. Just good job, Emma. Qualified first aider.
Yeah.
Just choke on Maltesers.
Yeah. Oh, it's so annoying.
Touchdown!
Okay, you're the winner.
Get again.